Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to manage who can view your date of birth on Telegram using your Android phone. Controlling your personal information is important for privacy, and Telegram gives you options. Let's walk through the steps together so you can customize your settings easily. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. Then, select Settings from the menu options. After that, tap on Privacy and Security to open your privacy settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Date of Birth. Here, you can choose who can see your date of birth. Select one of the following options: everybody, or your contacts, or nobody. Finally, once you select your preferences, tap on the check mark at the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. Now you know how to control who sees your birthday on Telegram. Keeping your personal data private is simple with these tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.